Okay, I wanted to get on Screencast-O-Matic and kind of show you guys my online portfolio and kind of explain to you my transformation journey in this course and the other courses I've been taking right now. So on my homepage I called it Miss Goodrich Digital Dance, and I included just some posters that I used for the discussions in this course that I feel like really stuck with me and made a difference in my mind for why dance and technology can overlap and can enhance dance so much, and things that I feel like I could use with my students and explain to them. And along with that, even just using PictoChart was a new technology tool that I gained that I could use to better differentiate my teaching and use with my students. So then the next page is my teaching philosophy, and I've included a link to it right here, and I've also written it out right here. But I teach dance because I feel like it's vital for students to grow and express through that way, and dance helps motivate students, helps them gain self-esteem, it opens their eyes in a new way, it differentiates the learning that they're doing in school, and so technology was just a new way for me to access more students. It felt like it took away a lot of the boundaries that I felt, especially when it came to dance through online or distance learning. I felt really confined. So I just felt like technology was such a great way for me to actually access these students, assess them, give them the tools that they needed to succeed, and it really made a difference for me this year. So my technology integration project went along with kind of what I was talking about just earlier, that digital dance is something that I really haven't gone into that much. So my plan was to find ways to really work with the students and help them succeed on their own, to help them feel safe and confident and comfortable dancing at home. So it was really fun. I put out some challenges and they responded, and I was impressed with the responses that I got and what they were able to do on their own. And that goes along with what I was saying earlier of just giving the students the tools to create and feel confident and feel proud of what they can do. So I put a link at the bottom here if you want to see the whole presented project. So the presentation of my learning journey is what I'm explaining now, and I'll include a link to that video on this page. And finally, my transformation statement, I'll just read it because it kind of explains what I've learned and gained through taking these technology courses, specifically this one. So my use of technology has been enhanced through my participation in this course and my pursuit of my EdTech endorsement. I have learned how to better use and apply different programs such as Google Classroom, Nearpod, Padlet, and Flipgrid. I have learned how to better form lesson plans in an online format, as well as assess students online. Putting together lesson plans and unit plans that can not only include technology tools, but also have the entire lesson or unit online. That way, students are able to access on their own and learn on their own. I've grown as a teacher finding new ways to teach students online, but something I gained an understanding of is how to assess students through an online format. For these courses, I used technology as an assistant to enhance my lessons, but now I've gained a whole new skill set to giving the students the ability to demonstrate their learning through technology. I've gained a better understanding of how technology enhances learning. Technology opens up your classroom to a world of possibilities. You can take the learning students are doing in a class and expand it so much farther. There is room for more learning and collaboration. Technology gives all students a voice inside and outside of the classroom. Technology can prove as a huge time saver for both teachers and students. So I'm definitely glad to be in this endorsement program, and I am excited about what I'm learning, and even if distance learning isn't required of me next year, I'm really glad that I have these tools and I can continue to differentiate and better my teaching so that my students can be more successful in my class.